Good day everyone. This is the video presentation of the Global Guides Group. Now we will going to discuss about the significant global trends in the tourism industry. Significant global trends in the tourism industry. The tourism industry is experiencing transformative changes driven by the various global trends. This includes a strong shift towards sustainable tourism, rapid technological advancements, evolving tourist behaviors, and notable economic impacts. Each of these trends is reshaping how tourism operates and how travelers engage with destinations. The first one is sustainable or sustainability. Sustainable tourism helps to address social issues such as environmental degradation and encourages responsible traveling by limiting the negative aspects of tourism to the society and the environment and increasing the benefits for the community. There are three key points of sustainability. The first one is green orientation. The hoteliers of this region have a clear understanding of the eco practices, whilst the tourists seek accommodation that conserve water and renewable energy. The second one is digital orientation for supporting sustainability. Aided by the technology, greener alternatives say mechanical ways are employed. Application directs users to sustainable alternatives. The third one or the last one is regulatory measures. Ecosystem protection measures taken at the destinations involve regulation of the number of visitors allowed or even banning of certain products deemed detrimental. All in all, it means sustainable tourism operates to attain a compromise between the demands of the tourists and conservation of the environment and local cultures. The second one is technology. Technology is reshaping tourism by improving efficiency, enhancing customer experiences, and promoting sustainability. There are also three key points of technology. The first one is digital platforms. Digital platforms offer eco-ratings for accommodations and connect travelers with responsible local operators. The second one is innovative solution. Innovative solutions include electric vehicles, bike sharing, and virtual reality to reduce environmental impact. The third one is or the last one is data utilization. Data utilization, AI and cloud computing optimize resources management and track emissions of sustainable operations. Or all in all, technology is driving a more sustainable tourism in our industry.
Changes in tourist behavior. The pandemic has significantly altered tourist behavior, leading to new preferences and expectations. So I have here three changes in tourist behavior. So first, preference for authentic experiences. Second, health and safety concerns. And the last is increased demand for flexibility. So let's talk about the preference for authentic experiences. Travelers are increasingly seeking authentic cultural experiences that foster connections with the local communities rather than traditional tourist attractions. Next, health and safety concerns. Post-pandemic travel has heightened awareness around health safety measures, influencing choices related to destinations and accommodation types. And the last is increased demand for flexibility. With uncertainties in travel plans, there is a growing demand for flexible booking options that allow changes or cancellations without penalties. And here also the economic impacts. Tourism is a vital economic driver globally, contributing approximately 10% to the world's GDP. However, its rapid growth has also led to significant challenges. So I have here two economics impact. First, economic recovery post-pandemic and job creation versus environmental cost. So what is economic recovery post-pandemic? As travel restrictions ease, many regions are witnessing a resurgence in tourism that surpasses pre-pandemic levels. This rebound is crucial for economies heavily reliant on tourism but raises concerns about sustainability if not managed properly. And the last is job creation versus environmental cost. While tourism creates millions of jobs globally, it also poses risks such as overcrowding and environmental degradation. Sustainable practices are essential to balance economic benefits with ecological preservation. And additionally, in conclusion, the tourism industry as a pivotal moment where embracing sustainable practices through technological innovation can lead to a more responsible future. As tourist behaviors evolve and economic pressures mount, stakeholders must collaborate to ensure that a tourism contributes positively to both local communities and environment.
How global trends influence a generally development or change in situation that affects many countries of the world. Example sa sa Napo Beach. Sa una ma'am di pa kay sikat pero karon na nang na kuan na kay sa tourism dayon nga daghan na kayong mga tao ga video di lugayan na promote di karon na sikat na kay Napo Beach. So that's the one sa global trends dayon sa example pod sa anang sa ano atubangan sa City Hall and paano ba sa mga street food agi po sa mga tao nga grabe daghan kayong mag video daghan street food ko kagayan ni sikat sa global trends depende po na siya sa unsay dagan sa panahon ug mo baning usuha. For example, karon uso ron ang mga inaing t-shirt like another month lahi na pod polo na po'y mauso like yan na mga global trends or something mga product inana ang saka ilang panggamiton na uso-uso relating ra siya sa ato o involving the entire world taon sa kay yun wala siya.
Local trend significantly shape global trends through cultural exchange, economic impact, and technological advancement. Unique cultural practices such as fashion or cuisine can spread globally throughout social media, economic shift in one region influence. Global markets, effective consumer behavior, and business worldwide. Local technological innovation and like mobile payment system often sets global precedent. This example highlights how local trends act as catalysts for border changes, demonstrating in interconnectedness of today's market and cultures.
So last example of global trend is healthcare. So healthcare encompasses the prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and management of illness, injury, and disability. It's a broad and complex field that involves a wide range of professionals, facilities, service, aims at maintaining and improving the health and well-being individuals and population. So, what is say ko an magud ma'am karang healthcare dili sa Pilipinas Russia ang naa dyan na sa worldwide dyan.
Everyone, my name is Christine G. Patalan and I'm going to talk about local trends. So local trends supporting small business give us hope that the capitalistic societies we often live in. Driven by corporations, profits, and GDP. Loving local means loving community, connection, realness, and security. Examples of local business includes a restaurant, a particular branch of a restaurant chain, a branch of bank, a medical practice, or a club, and etc. The local shop or shop mall trend has many benefits such as building relationships within the community and helping support the local economy, all while building a more vibrant and unified society. Visiting local shops and restaurants and choosing to spend locally gives you the opportunity to restore
and be friend with your neighbors.